beat breathe. Let the beat breathe. Let the beat breathe. Let the beat breathe.
Come on, bro, what you doing?
Just let the beat breathe.
Hurry up, I'm trying to hear you rap.
Tiny desk, just let the beat breathe.
Oh my God.
We got Bria Melody, we got Marcel, we got Ryan, we got DK. My name is Rockim Williamson. Look, I said a look inside the mirror can change your whole trajectory. Forces you to open your mind to things you've never seen. I'm getting out my way so I can find what lies ahead of me. I told my lady I'm on the way. She said you better be, and when you get here, don't even park. Just hop out and roll. Everybody running from rock like Indiana Jones. They taking all the styles and they biting all the flows. Now they asking what's Beyonce last name, nobody knows. Now I'm grinding and I'm shining while aiming straight to the top. Don't complain about the cars, just play the ones that you got. I'm learning to only trust as far as the eye can see. Don't know one really got me like I got me. Now let the beat breathe. Yeah, just let the beat breathe. Tiny desk, I said if anybody care, put your hands in the air. Let the beat breathe, and let the beat breathe. Y'all look so good, come on. Just let the beat breathe. Hey, check, look. I'm always so far from stupid, my dreams are looking congruent. See, she likes the way I speak and she's trying to become more fluent. Now I used to go to school with some people I once influenced. Back when captains had underpants and lemurs were moving. I'm not new to this, I'm true to this. Look me in my eyes, see temptation is a thing that you can run from but can't hide. You gotta pick a side, cause this world is do or die. And I don't only talk to God, but I'm patient with his reply. I'm on the road. And I don't do this just for show. See, the key in moving on is letting go. As I start putting on my jeans and realize it ain't what it seems, I'm only wanting things that's wanting me. Now let the beat breathe. Yeah, just let the beat breathe. Let's do that two more times. Yeah, just